Excuse me? You mean you're refusing me a visa? After trying for 4 whole times? 4 whole times? Applying the money, the expenses, the luxury, traveling here and there. Do you even give an idea? Do you have a goddamn idea of what I've been through for the 4 times I've been trying? And you won't even give me a visa, not even for 2 weeks? Come on. You telling me that I don't have a traveling experience? I don't have a traveling experience? Of course I don't have a traveling experience. And that's why I'm applying for a visa to travel to the US. And you're still refusing me? Give me stories? You know what? Fuck you. Fuck you goddamn fucking country. You all are assholes. You can rot here for all I care. For God's sake, America is not heaven. You know what? I'm gonna mess you up big time in this office. You don't know me. You don't know me. See, when you get out of that cubicle, come on, don't touch that because I will mess you up. I'm gonna mess you up. You can call the security. Yeah, go ahead. Call the security. Come on, call the security. That's all you're good at. I know what you're good at. That's all what you're good at. Call the security for all I care. I'm gonna mess you up big time. You don't know me. This is Nigeria. This is the Nigeria. I will kill you. I will stab you. I will choke you. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't want to mess up with me. You don't want to mess up with me. You don't. Oh no. Oh no. It's not starting again. I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. Let me. Oh no. I'm hot. Just give me a glass of water. My heart. No, my heart. Oh no. Understand? Somebody please call an ambulance. Oh no. I'm just breathing. I'm just breathing. Okay, I'm just breathing. God help me. God help me. God help